Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share with you 3 useful features of Windows 11 that you can try. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So first up is photo editing. Let's say you want a quick edit to your photo but you don't want to use complex applications, then you can use inbuilt features to edit your photo. You can blur the background or make some adjustments. When it comes to screen recording, we use third-party software to record the screen and comes out with a watermark. But in Windows 11, you can use the inbuilt recorder to record your screen in full HD without any watermarks. Search for snipping tool and click on the recorder icon. Select the area and start recording. We have been using different third-party tools to remove the background of our image, but with the new Paint app, you can do that with just a click. Open the Paint app and click on this button, and that's it. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.